Hello students, in today's video we will learn about the most important topic from alcohols. From this topic every year at least one question is asked in board examination, and the question is like this: arrange the following compounds in increasing or decreasing order of their boiling points, giving reason. Some compounds are given here: 2,2-dimethylpropane 1-ol, 3-methylbutane 1-ol, pentane 1-ol, butane 1-ol, and butane 2-ol. And last one is propane 1-ol. Okay. So before solve this problem, we should have knowledge about what is boiling point and what are the factors that affect boiling points of alcohol. Okay. So dear students, let us discuss on boiling point. Boiling point. Okay. So boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the given molecule becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Or in another way we can also say that the temperature at which liquid changes to the gaseous states. So if we want to change liquid to gas, some amount of energy is required in the form of heat. So that particular heat or temperature is called the boiling points of given molecules. Okay. So here the molecules that we have are alcohols, different types of alcohols. So let us discuss what is the boiling point of alcohol and the factor affecting boiling points of alcohol. Okay. So experimentally it has been observed that alcohols have higher boiling point as compared to ether, haloalkane and alkanes of comparable molecular masses. It means alcohols have higher boiling point than ether, haloalkane and alkane. Okay. This higher boiling point of alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH group of the alcohols. Look at here. This is alcohol molecule. Here oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it develops partial negative charge, while hydrogen is electropositive or more electronegative than oxygen, it develops partial positive charge. Due to the development of this positive and negative charge on this OH group, it becomes polar in nature. And due to polar nature of this OH group, several number of alcohol molecules combine together with the help of intermolecular hydrogen bonding as shown here. So look at here, several numbers of hydrogen molecules have been combined with each other, and due to the combination of molecules, their molar masses or molecular masses increases, and due to the increment in molecular masses, the boiling points of that corresponding alcohols increases. Okay, when several number of molecules combine together with the help of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, some amount of energy is required to separate the molecules. As we know that in case of gaseous state, their particles are far apart from each other and they move. Therefore, if we want to separate these molecules, we require some amount of energy in the form of heat, and that corresponding heat or temperature is called boiling point. So this boiling point can be proved by giving data here. We are having some compounds. This is ethanol, ether, chloromethane and propane. Look at here, boiling points of ethanol is to 351 Kelvin, while ether methoxymethane is 249 Kelvin, chloromethane 248 Kelvin and propane 231 Kelvin. Okay. Now there are several factors that affect boiling points of alcohols. What they are? Let us see. So first one is number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atom. So as the number of carbon atom increases, the boiling point of that alcohol increases, and this increment in boiling point is because of increment in amount of surface. As the number of carbon atom in a molecule increases, the amount of surface also increases. Suppose there are 5 carbon, 4 carbon, 3 carbon. Okay, different carbon chains are given here. As the number of carbon atom increasing, the amount of surface is also increasing, and as the amount of surface increases, van der Waals force of attraction increases, and due to this increment in van der Waals force of interaction, the boiling point of alcohols increases. Okay, let us see some examples are given here. We are having propanol, butanol, pentanol and hexanol. In this case, number of carbon atom is 3, here 4, 5 and 6, and their boiling points are also given here: 370 Kelvin, 391 Kelvin, 411 Kelvin and 431 Kelvin. Okay, so as we can see that as the number of carbon atom increasing, their boiling points also increasing respectively. Okay, now another factor that affect boiling point of alcohol is branching in carbon chain or isomerism. Okay, suppose we are having two molecules and both are having same number of carbon atom, but one is straight chain and another is branched chain. Then in case of straight chain, amount of surface will be higher. For example, suppose there are 4 carbon and all the carbon atoms are in a straight chain, and in second case 5 carbon, and in second case there are branching. So in this case amount of surface is higher, and as the amount of surface increases, van der Waals force of interaction increases. Okay, so on increment in number of carbon atom, their boiling points also increases because increment in van der Waals force of attraction. This statement can be proved by the following data. Here, this is primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, and this is tertiary alcohol. For primary alcohol, boiling point is 391 Kelvin, secondary it is 373 Kelvin, and tertiary it is 353 Kelvin. So it is clear from this data that as the branching increasing, their boiling points decreasing. Okay, so depending upon this concept, we can arrange the given molecule in this order. Let us see again that molecule. So these are the molecules given to arrange depending upon their boiling point, either increasing or decreasing order. Decreasing or increasing order. Okay. So how we can arrange them? So first molecule is CCH2OH and CH3 CH3, CH3. Second one is CH, CH2, CH2 and OH, and here 2-methyl group is attached. CH3, CH3. Third one is like this: CH3, CH2, 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 CH2OH. Fourth one is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Fifth one is CH3, CH2, CHOH and CH3, and last one is CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and last one F. Okay. Now compare the boiling points of given molecule. So in this case, number of carbon atom is 5. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again carbon number of carbon atom is 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 3 molecules are having 5 carbon atom, but it is clear that in case of C, amount of surface is highest. Therefore, it has highest boiling point. So, C has highest boiling point. Okay. Now, then after B, then after A. Now compare D, E and F. Here number of carbon atom is 1, 2, 3 and 4, C4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon atom. Three carbon atom. C3. Okay. So in these two cases, that is D and F, number of carbon atom is equal, but here there is no branching, but here there is a branching. Therefore, the boiling point of D will be higher than E. D will be higher than E, and the molecule, that is F, has least number of carbon atom, that is 3. So the boiling point of F will be lowest. Now compare molecule A and D. This one and this one. Although this molecule has 5 number of carbon atom and here 4, but amount of branching is here and amount of surface is higher in this case. Therefore, the boiling point again increases for this molecule. Thus, finally, we can arrange these molecules in this order. C will be highest, then B, then D, then after A and E, and finally F. Okay. So this is the order of the given molecule. Okay.